Welcome to CoinBook. My name is Calvin Waite, and I trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for a living. My goal is to help you guys to become better traders and to help you see opportunities within the crypto markets. So please subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of the community that we are building. So I was listening to something on Bitcoin this morning and heard a guy say that there's no resistance until 20,000. But I don't want you guys to be taken by surprise. There is absolutely resistance. It's our last one though, and it's this 14,000 right here. This 14,000, I'm saying 13,880 to 14,000. So we have a little spot right here that we have to muscle through before there is essentially no resistance. And honestly, we don't want to go straight up to 20,000 in the next, we can't get there too fast because we have to do it slowly and rationally, or else, we get a little too wobbly. Whenever we start just launching off without any breaks, and we go from, like, here's our 6,000 to 20,000 run, this is when things get really shaky. And that's not what we want to do so early. We already kind of did that too early, back in the summer of last year, we had this wild run, and it was too much too early and not enough good solid supports, and we paid the price for a while. So things are looking awesome. One other thing, so some of you guys were wondering if we were going to hit 14,000 like I had predicted, but the question is when is a red candle bullish? This is a very bullish candle. It's in fact more bullish than this candle. Whenever you have an entire day that represents nothing but support, this is the type of candle that shows this is going to propel us up for a little while. So we're in the weekend here, so we've got Saturday and Sunday where markets are thin. I'm expecting us to hit 14,000 in the next couple of days. When we do, prepare for a retracement. It's just how markets work. It's not just going to go straight up. And this is healthy though. We want to stay up here for as long as we can, and then we can retouch this line here for support, and then we're off to the races. So this is what people look like about an hour after they've asked me, "Hey Calvin, what's a Bitcoin?" And then every other person in the room is also looking exactly like this. So, quick follow-up on the Litecoin video I did yesterday. Look what is happening today. We are above the 50. We have 7, almost 8 hours for this thing to close. And we are definitely going to be watching this. Already, we have good news. This more recent high, we have now crossed above it. So this bodes well for a reversal. So we've got our bullish engulfing candle here, and we had a rejection on the 50, and then we touched it twice. So this candle, I don't know what happened. TradingView is acting kind of strange, but we had 2 attempts at it, and third attempt today. We are halfway through. If we can close above this, we will be in great shape. The chart of the day is Vertcoin. Vertcoin is an old coin. Look at this. This coin started back in 2014. At least that's when it was charted. So it was started earlier than that, obviously. But look at these wild swings. If you hit a bottom at 2,400 Satoshis, and then you launch up to a high of 244,000 Satoshis. This is just a gigantic move. And then what did we do? We sold off all the way back to 4,000 before hitting a high of 35,000. This coin has paid off over the years. And a lot of times you think, you know, where's the DeFi? Where's the new exciting thing? Some of these old coins can seriously pack a punch. So I've been watching this one. It's lower volume nowadays, but I mean, look at this. 2,200, 2,500 up to 96,000. Like, that's just, these returns are just absolutely off the charts. And look at this, we've hit this really long consolidation phase where we are just kind of, you know, establishing this long consolidation. Depending on the right audience, this really could turn around pretty hard. And the reason I bring it up is because look what just happened. Yesterday we closed above the 50. We exited this red zone. So I don't have to, you know, preach too hard about exiting red zones. Every time you exit a red zone, it's usually the best opportunity to acquire a coin. So if I go back to any other period, you know, exiting the red zone, and then you sell as you exit the green. Exit the red, sell as you exit the green. Like, these are really nice returns. This is like a 3x here. Obviously this is like 10x. This would have been, you know, a sweet return if you exited right here. We may have missed this one, but it's just, you know, these moves, you know, you can get upside down, but here's a move where we had this tiny green zone. If you look at it, there are opportunities here. We have the ability to take advantage. So if people had entered anywhere in here, you wouldn't need to re-enter because the price is nearly the same. But yeah, I would be watching Vertcoin. It has a lot of potential, and the timing is pretty nice. If we can get a little bit of oomph under us and change this direction, boy, this thing sure can pay off. I mean, double is here, triple is here, quadruple is here, and there's just a lot of movement in this coin. So just wanted to let you guys know.
Alright, you guys, we are almost to 1,000 subscribers, and when we get monetized, I'm going to be giving away these enviable Coinbook t-shirts, the apex of crypto fashion. So if you could comment your ideas on how I should distribute these. I'm not sure if I should give out one per day, or one to the best comment, or one per week. So give me your ideas, but I want to build this brand and expand our community.